Welcome to our full guide on using Expert Option in Saudi Arabia. In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the platform and maximize your earning potential. Let's dive right into creating your account. Follow these steps closely to get started. Now, let's explore the trading platform. I'll guide you through the user interface and its key functionalities. You can trade multiple asset types on Expert Option. Here's a comprehensive overview of each option available. Let's discuss some effective trading strategies to help beginners become successful traders in Saudi Arabia. Expert Option offers different account types. Here's a look at what each type will provide you. Managing your risk is crucial in trading. Let's see how to set stop loss and take profit effectively. Withdrawing your earnings can be straightforward if you know how. Here's the safest way to access your funds. Staying updated with market analysis is vital. Let's explore some useful tools and resources. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to start trading and utilize everything you've learned in this guide.